What is going on, my people? Welcome back. I wanted to make this video today for a couple of reasons. First off being that I lost my GoPro 6, not Monday this week, but last Monday. I was surfing in Huntington and I was starting doing the POV. I would take it off and try and tuck into the barrel like this. It had the floaty back door on it. However, when you're in Huntington and the current is picking up, which the swell was just picking up that Monday, so I basically kind of followed the current all the way down to the pier. I was south of the pier, I followed it all the way down to the pier, walked back up, nothing came up. Usually when I've recovered my GoPros in these situations with my floaty back door on it, one, Eli was there most of the time, but generally that's in shore break situations. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to come up. It comes up in Huntington, the current sweeps it away. Your odds of finding it in Huntington once it sweeps away with the tide is very slim. I've lost 2 other GoPros this way. There's just nothing you could do about it, so I'm working on getting another GoPro. I also am in contact with a 360 camera company. They are going to be sending me something shortly, so I cannot wait to get my hands on this 360 camera action that I've been checking out, and I'm really interested to get into the editing. I feel like it's a big untapped part of video and I want to be a part of that. I also got myself an Axis Go that I'm going to be messing around with. I'm going to be taking pictures and I'm going to be taking some videos. I'll be throwing up some Axis Go stuff here and there. Ultimately, once I get this 360 camera, that's going to take up a lot of my time, and I'm going to be getting my GoPro 6 back. I'm assuming in 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not positive. We will see. I did start working at an imaging solution company. I am working with cameras and water housings. That's kind of all I want to say about it for now, but I'm stoked to be a part of that team and grow and be able to do my YouTube stuff. It's a 9 to 5 situation, so I'll still be able to make content in the morning, just a little bit less time. But you're likely going to be seeing a lot more sunset sessions. I can maximize more time after I get off and I don't have to worry. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you all men and women of water. Get out there and get some waves. I will see you next time.